As we age, the foundation of our health often shifts from the medicine cabinet to the soil beneath our feet. For many seniors, the challenge of maintaining muscle mass and managing chronic inflammation becomes a daily reality. But what if you could plant your nutrition once and harvest it for the rest of your life? Today, we explore 8 extraordinary superfoods that are powerful enough to replace both meat and many common medications. These are perennial wonders, plants that return year after year, requiring minimal labor but offering maximum yield. In this comprehensive guide, we will dive deep into the science of grow once, eat forever agriculture. We will look at how these plants solve the protein gap for those looking to reduce meat consumption, and how their unique compounds can act as a natural defense against the ailments of aging. Welcome to a new era of agricultural wellness. Let us begin with the miracle of the moringa tree. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is a cornerstone of perennial nutrition. Its leaves are a literal factory of vitamins and minerals, essential for senior health. Did you know that moringa leaves contain all 9 essential amino acids? This makes it a rare plant-based complete protein. For seniors, agricultural accessibility is key. Moringa can be pruned to stay at a height of just 5 or 6 feet. This allows for easy harvesting without the need for ladders or heavy equipment. It is truly a low-labor crop. Beyond protein, it is a nutritional powerhouse. It contains 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, and 17 times more calcium than milk, which is vital for maintaining bone density as we age. The plant is incredibly resilient, thriving in poor soils and resisting drought with ease. Every part of the tree is edible, but the leaves offer the most consistent year-round harvest. Simply strip the leaves and add them to soups or salads for an instant medicinal boost. Next, we look at the Jerusalem artichoke, or sunchoke, a relative of the sunflower that hides its treasure underground. These tubers are one of the most productive calorie crops a senior can grow with virtually zero maintenance. They are rich in inulin, a unique prebiotic fiber that helps regulate blood sugar and supports gut health. For those managing type 2 diabetes, sunchokes are an excellent low glycemic alternative to the standard potato. The beauty of the sunchoke is its longevity. Any small piece of tuber left in the soil will grow into a new plant. They are fortress plants. They grow so tall and dense that they naturally outcompete weeds, saving you hours of weeding. While they provide food, they also beautify the garden with their late summer yellow flowers. You can eat them raw for a crunchy, nutty flavor, or roast them just like you would a potato. Once you plant a small patch, you have secured a permanent source of high-fiber carbohydrates. It is a true grow once, eat forever crop that respects the energy levels of an aging gardener. Moving on to the groundnut, or potato bean, a native North American vine that is a master of protein production. Unlike annual beans, the groundnut is a perennial that fixes nitrogen into your soil, naturally fertilizing your garden. The tubers contain roughly 17% protein by weight. That is 3 times more than a standard potato. By growing them on trellises or fences, seniors can harvest without the need for strenuous bending or kneeling. The plant also produces edible beans, but the tubers are the real prize for those looking to replace meat. When cooked, they have a rich, nutty flavor that is far more satisfying and filling than common root vegetables. Because they are legumes, they improve the health of every other plant growing nearby. They are an essential part of a self-sustaining agricultural system that thrives on ecological cooperation. Harvest them in the fall, but leave a few behind to ensure a massive return the following spring. This simple act of agricultural stewardship provides decades of high-protein security. Asparagus is perhaps the most famous plant-once vegetable, capable of producing for 20 to 30 years. It is a high-fiber source of folate and vitamins A, C, and K, all critical for maintaining vitality in our later years. Medicinally, asparagus acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body manage blood pressure and kidney function. Once established, a mature asparagus patch requires only annual mulching and a single winter cutting. Recent studies suggest that nitrate-rich greens like asparagus can lead to significantly stronger lower limbs in older adults. This strength is vital for maintaining independence and preventing falls, a major concern for many seniors. The harvest period is a celebration of spring, providing a nutrient-dense reward for very little physical effort. Because it is a perennial, the root system goes deep, accessing minerals that annual plants simply cannot reach. It is a permanent investment in your health that pays dividends for a quarter of a century or more. For the senior gardener, it represents the ultimate balance of longevity, nutrition, and ease of care. While most grow kale as an annual, perennial varieties like tree collards or nine-star broccoli can live for years. Kale is often called the king of superfoods for bone health due to its massive vitamin K content. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect aging eyes from macular degeneration. Perennial kale grows into a sturdy shrub. You harvest the outer leaves, and the plant continues to produce from the center. This eliminates the need for seasonal replanting, digging, or bending down to the ground. For those with back or joint pain, harvesting at waist height makes gardening a pleasure rather than a chore. These greens are far more nutrient-dense than their supermarket counterparts, which often lose value during transport. They are a literal living pharmacy that you can access every single morning of the year. The resilience of perennial kale means you can have fresh, life-saving greens even when other gardens have gone dormant. It is the backbone of a year-round, self-sustaining nutritional strategy for the senior agriculturist. Berries, specifically blueberries and elderberries, are long-lived perennials that offer profound brain-healthy benefits. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, which have been proven to improve memory and cognitive performance in seniors. Elderberries serve as a permanent medicine cabinet staple, used for centuries to boost immune function and fight infections. Once mulched and established, berry bushes require minimal upkeep, providing a bountiful harvest for decades. They can even be grown in containers on a patio, making them accessible to those with limited land or mobility. These small fruits are a direct replacement for expensive synthetic supplements found in pharmacies. The elderberry's ability to shorten the duration of respiratory issues is a vital tool for senior health during winter. A few minutes of pruning each year is all it takes to keep these nutritional powerhouses productive for 20 years. They provide the high-quality flavonoids that aging bodies need to maintain neurological health and sharp memory. A permanent berry patch is a legacy of health that grows stronger with every passing season. Perennial alliums like walking onions and chives provide a constant supply of flavor and medicinal sulfur compounds. Rich in allicin, these plants support heart health and reduce systemic inflammation, a key factor in aging gracefully. The sulfur compounds in onions and chives are essential for detoxification and maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Walking onions literally walk across your garden by self-planting their top bulbs, requiring zero effort from the gardener. Chives are nearly bulletproof, resisting pests and thriving even through periods of neglect or drought. By planting these once, you eliminate the recurring cost of buying seeds or sets every single year. They provide a constant source of vitamins A and K, and their savory flavor reduces the need for excessive salt. They also act as natural pest deterrents, protecting your other superfoods from unwanted insects. For the senior agriculturist, these alliums are the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it source of heart-healthy nutrition. They are a testament to the efficiency of perennial systems: work less, harvest more, and live better. In warmer zones, the jackfruit tree is the ultimate meat replacement, providing massive yields of calorie-dense fruit. A single fruit can weigh up to 25 kilograms. When harvested young, the flesh has a texture identical to pulled pork. This unique texture makes it a direct, high-fiber substitute for meat in stews, sandwiches, and main courses. A mature jackfruit tree can produce hundreds of kilograms of food every year for 40 years or more. While it takes a few years to establish, it represents a lifelong commitment to food security and personal health. For seniors looking to reduce meat intake without sacrificing texture or satisfaction, jackfruit is the perfect solution. Even the seeds are edible and can be boiled or roasted, offering another layer of starchy, high-protein nutrition. It is a tree of life that requires no tilling, no annual seeding, and provides a massive return for decades. In the landscape of senior agriculture, the jackfruit tree is a giant of self-reliance and nutritional independence. In the landscape of senior agriculture, the jackfruit tree is a giant of self-reliance and nutritional independence. We have journeyed through the miraculous world of perennial superfoods, 8 plants that can redefine your health. The transition to perennial agriculture is more than just a gardening choice. It is a commitment to a longer, healthier life. By planting once and harvesting forever, you reduce the physical burden of gardening while maximizing the nutritional reward. You replace the medicine cabinet with the garden bed and expensive meat with nutrient-dense plant-based power. Start your perennial journey today. For the senior gardener, the best time to plant was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. One final tip for the perennial grower: always keep your soil covered. A thick layer of straw mulch suppresses weeds and keeps the moisture where it belongs. A healthy perennial garden starts with healthy soil life. The presence of earthworms indicates a rich, aerated environment where roots can thrive for decades. Perennial agriculture also builds community. These plants are easy to divide and share with neighbors, fostering a culture of generosity and health. By planting these superfoods, you are not just feeding yourself, you are creating an agricultural legacy that can be passed down to the next generation. Gardening should be a source of joy, not pain. Using ergonomic tools with contoured handles can make a significant difference for those managing arthritis or joint issues. If space is limited, many perennials can thrive in containers. This allows you to bring your garden to a patio or balcony, reducing the need for heavy land management. The act of gardening is inherently therapeutic. Spending time among your plants under the natural sun is as good for the mind as it is for the body. Vertical gardening is a game changer for senior agriculturists. By growing crops upward on trellises, you maximize your space while keeping the harvest at a comfortable standing height. Raised garden beds are another essential tool for longevity. They allow you to control your soil quality perfectly, and more importantly, they bring the work to you, protecting your back and knees. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May your garden flourish and your health be ever growing. Goodbye.